So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy Facebook stock or Instagram stock or Meta stock, ticker symbol META in Canada on the Questrade application. So once Questrade's opened up, go to the top right and press on the search icon, or the bottom left, the green button that says buy or sell. As I mentioned before, type in ticker symbol Meta, META, Meta Platforms Inc. Press on that. Then go to the bottom left and press on buy. Once you're here, you can either go to a quantity type of order or a dollar amount of order. Once that's done, type in the amount. Go to the bottom, press on next, and then you can follow the steps that will come up. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Facebook or Instagram stock, or I guess Meta stock in this case, here on Canada using Questrade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.